So bumili ako ng napakamahal na Apple Watch Ultra Free. Presyo? Ang sabi ni Apple, ito na yung Ultimate Rugged Adventure Smartwatch. Kompleto sa features, mahabang battery, yung vibe niya, kaya mo na pumunta sa bundok, tumawid sa ilog, at mag-report. At sabihin, ang buhay ay weather lang. Pero kasi, what if masyado siya malaki, masyado siya bulky, di gano'n ka-pogi. Guys, what if? Rugged pa rin, madaling suotin, poging-pogi pa, pang matagalan pa, very comfortable pa sa inyong wrist, bright pen display, mahaba yung battery, at may mga health features pa. This is the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Ito po yung benchmark for accurate and comprehensive sports and health tracking. Kasi nga, hindi ka lagi naubusan ng battery. Hindi ka lagi na-charge. Komportable pa. According to IDC, 2025 Q1 to Q3 report, Huawei is the #1 smart wearable brand globally and in the Philippines. Kompleto yung workouts. Meron pa siyang up to 100 sports modes. Tapos guys, nako, meron pa siyang mga health features dito na kakaiba. Meron pa siyang CE certified ECG analysis, pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, can accurately check the heart rate, also can check your sleep apnea. Meron po siyang sleep tracking dito na malapit. Meron pa siyang diabetic risk assessment to support users' daily wellness journey. Ganun na siya ka-high-tech itong smartwatch ito. Unbox muna natin si Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. I've been watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Grabe. Iba din comparison natin yun. Kasi ito guys is umabot siya ng 50 to 60,000 pesos. Yes, ganun po kamahal si Apple Watch Ultra Free. Tapos yung presyo nito, wala pang 1/4, wala pang 1/5 ng price nito. By the way, pwede itong Android, pwede po itong pang iOS, no problem. Baka sabihin nyo pang Huawei phone lang to. Hindi guys. Android, iOS, pwede rin. Pwede rin pang Windows. Okay, so ito yung laman ng box. Let us open it up. Ang ganda. Ito na guys. Underneath, we're getting the charger. Ayan, yung bilog are here. At yung kanyang documents. So ito na, the smartwatch of your dreams. Rugged, pangmatagalan, very bright display, and tells the time. Look at that! Side by side with the Apple Ultra Watch Free. Tignan mo kung gano'n ka-bulky, kalaki itong Apple Watch Free. Parang sobrang daming nilagay dito ah. And this, tignan mo naman to, ang nipis, ang gaan pa. Wait, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is only 30.4 grams. Tapos si Apple Watch Ultra 3 naman is 61.5 grams. So almost half the weight guys. Meaning hindi siya parang may maliit na dumbbell sa wrist mo. Pero si Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, premium pa rin. Pero pang everyday watch po yung dating niya. You get a titanium alloy frame, 2.5D sapphire glass, a big 1.92-inch display, a big screen-to-body ratio, and 3,000 nits of brightness. Wow. Kaya naman pala kapag direct sunlight sa labas, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung nakalagay sa screen mo. Syempre guys, you wanna see the stats, the time, kompleto. At meron pa siyang flashlight. Ito, punta ka na sa flash. Ayan. Tapos, pwede may control yung kanyang brightness with the crown lang. Ayun, pabright siya na pabright. Maganda siya kapag gabi. Soft lighting na siya. The screen is big, 1.92 inches. Big enough to see the stats and the time. Marami pa siyang watch faces dito. Tapos, meron akong emotional well-being area dito para malaman kung stressed ba ako, depressed, or happy, or neutral lang. And here, makita mo yung BPM ko dito. And you can even control the music from your smartwatch. Tapos, meron pa siyang orange, white, and black colors. For Huawei Watch Fit 5 naman, meron siyang silver, purple, green, white, and black. Oh, by the way, yung orange na gamit natin, meron po siyang air dry woven strap. It's not only for looks. Huawei says breathability is increased to 260% for more comfortability. Important yun kasi ang smartwatch only works if gusto mo talaga siyang suotin all day. Habang nag-work, naglalakad, nag-training, and even habang natutulog. Well, in fairness, nung sinot ko naman si Apple Watch Ultra 3, medyo comfortable naman po siya. Kaya lang after some time, medyo namabigatan na ako sa kanya. Medyo uncomfortable na after some time. Parang may dumbbell talaga na nakasabit sa inyong kamay. Lightness really matters. When you're just walking, gusto mo parang halos wala kang nararamdaman. Parang feeling mo wala talagang dala. Yun ang dapat. Dapat nakafocus ka sa training mo. Hindi na-irita ka. At syempre, natutulog ka, tapos mamaya niyan, makati. No. Dapat komportable. Dapat hindi mo siya iniisip. Dapat yung asawa mo lang. Dapat yung blood pressure mo lang. Ay, nga pala, speaking of blood pressure, pinilit. Guys, normally, chinecheck mo lang yung smartwatch mo kapag may nararamdaman ka. Pero what if your watch can give you early wellness signals? Guys, hindi po siya diagnosis. Hindi po siya doktor. Hindi po siya nag-med school. Kaya syempre, huwag ka humingi ng payo sa kanya. Pero humingi ka ng data lang sa kanya. Para malay mo, maintindihan ng doktor mo. Dok, nakalagay dito, mas magaling daw siya sa'yo. Ay, pero syempre, Doc, nagpa-check up na rin ako. Maya niyan, maghiling-galing na lang ako. Baka maya, puro malunggay lang ako. Yung pala, di ko magana. The watch will give you health awareness and insights. Dito, naging interesting si Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Pero kung katulad mo ako na borderline diabetic, guys, very important to para sa inyo. This thing has advanced health features na makapag-detect kung may something wrong and related with diabetes. Alam naman natin na according to the Philippine Statistics Authority, diabetes mellitus ranked 5th among the leading causes of death in the Philippines in 2024. And according to the International Diabetes Federation, millions of Filipinos are living with diabetes. Ang tamis kasi ng pagkain natin, no? Tama ng milk tea, tama ng donuts, tama ng turon everyday. at soft drinks. And that is why sa Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, pwede mo i-open yung diabetic risk study inside the health features. Guys, for this to work, kailangan mo siya i-wear for about 3 to 14 days to get the risk results para mas accurate. So meaning kung sinut mo siya tapos hinintay mo agad yung results, ako guys, hindi po siya instant pansit canton. Again, this is for health and insights only. This is not medical grade, hindi po siya doktor. Pero guys, maganda po to para alam mo na merong masamang nangyayari sa'yo at kailangan mong aksyonan. Yun importante. At importante rin, huwag ka mag-overthink kapag ka na-read niya na merong something. Pag hindi quality yung sleep mo, malalaman niya. Ayan guys, oh. Minsan putol-putol. Minsan may sleep apnea ka pala. Biglang gumagano ka sa, yun pala, pagod ka lang, ganyan. Nag-overthink ka na tuloy, hindi ka na makatulog. Kaya uminom ka bigla ng 5 Biogesic. At naghiling galing. So yun no, meron po siyang CE, Certified ECG Analysis and Pulse Wave Arrhythmia Analysis, which is para meron siyang cardiovascular health awareness. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro uses PPG and ECG for automatic and passive cardiovascular health detection. Wala pong ganyan si Apple Watch Ultra 3. Ay, meron pala siya. Pero hindi kasing galing. Dahil meron ka ng True Sleep 5.0 na gumagamit ng AASM, Aligned Scoring Criteria, means American Academy of Sleep Medicine. It tracks sleep stages, breathing patterns, disruptions, and can show potential signs of sleep apnea or respiratory irregularities. So hindi lang pala siya ordinary sleep tracker. Meron pa siyang nap summaries, at meron pa siyang summary ng recovery mo. Dito, mamamonitor mo lahat. Kailangan 8 hours, guys. At syempre, malalaman mo rin na nag-doom scrolling ka na hanggang 3 a.m. in the morning. Hindi ka makatulog. Masama yan sa health mo. So, physical and mental. Stop it. Get some help. Get some Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. So, naglaro kami ni Idol. Ayan, di ba? Gamit ko yung Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Galing, no? Stop.
Get some help.
Also, marami pa siya mga ibang health features like stress tracking, HRV support, emotional well-being 2.0 with 12 emotional states, and cycle intelligence for smarter ovulation predictions. May pan-track pala ng ovulation nyo dito. Try nga natin. Ito na guys. Nasa hospital na ako. Nasa OB ako. De joke lang guys. Pang babae lang yan. So, hindi na pala siya pang athletes na katulad ko. Pang family members din siya. That can say, please move. Kailangan mo exercise. Kawawa ka naman. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Very Pinoy. Very loving. Now, syempre, hindi na siya pang health. Pang sports din siya. Para sa mga taong katulad ko na very sporty. Different users, different workouts, different levels. Guys, itong smartwatch na to ay meron up to 100 plus na sports modes, including pickleball ba? Alam natin. So, syempre, click mo lang yan. So, meron pa siyang button dito. Ayan, may workout po siya dyan. Outdoor run, route draw. Ang dami guys, sobrang dami. May skiing pa nga eh. Kung gusto mo mag-skiing sa Baguio. For running form analysis like ground, contact time, or vertical oscillation, also meron pa siyang napakagandang dual frequency GNSS Plus. Ito ay upgraded sunflower positioning system. More precise positioning para kapag nag-training ka outdoors, alam na alam mo kung nasaan ka. Hindi ka nawawala-wala or dinadala kung saan nung mapa mo. Na dumadaan ka sa building, sa mga walls, sari-sari store, mas pinpoint accurate. Maganda naman kapag ka trail running, can show route distance, elevation, route navigation, and waypoint of destination info. Meaning, kapag ka naglalakad ka sa labas, nag-hiking, alam niya kung gaano kataas nag-hike. Tapos alam niya rin kung saan ka dumaan. At meron pa siyang parang nakatutok na waypoint destination. Sa cycling, gets multiple modes for city, road, and long-distance rides. Plus, phone as bike computer support. Meron din siyang virtual cycling power for users who want more training data. Tapos ito naman, yung favorite sport ko, golf. Dahil membership tayo. Yung pro mode nito is meron daw siya access up to 17,000 courses worldwide. Ang dami nun. So meaning, kung meron kang golf course na gustong itry, baka malamang sa malamang, andito siya. At kompleto na yan. May vector maps, scorecards, distance measurement from any point on the fairway, including the green and obstacles. Plus upgraded green view with heat map. So kung nawawala yung golf ball mo, at least yung data mo hindi nawawala. Pero yung DDT mo sa scorecard, ibang usapan na yan. O diba, napag-golf tayo sa isang mamahaling golf course? Kasama si Tiger Woods. Kaya na si Michael Jordan. Tiger Woods na. Ito naman with Michael Phelps. Ayan, nag-swimming kami ni Michael Phelps, guys. O, diba? Ako siya, gold medalist. Ako silver na. Kapag ka hands-on sports naman, katulad ng racket sports, first go to the Huawei Health app, tap device, then the app gallery. Install the supported third-party app, Tenix for tennis, Pickle X for pickleball, at Good Shot for badminton. So guys, meron pa tayong swing count, maximum rally, heart rate, shot breakdown, smashes, forehand and backhand data. Ito yung gusto ng mga racket players. Kung gano'n kalas yung smash, baka sabihin tsamba lang. Tamang-tama, usong-uso pa naman yung pickleball ngayon. Pang pickleball guys, oh. But not everyone trains intensely every day. Some of us just sit too long, editing, working, or scrolling. That's why the mini workouts are smart. Quick, guided movement breaks that make exercise easier to start. The animated guidance makes it feel more acceptable. Meron pa siyang Panda Team Watch Face. Ang cute. Kasi minsan, the only thing that motivates you to exercise could be a cute panda face. For outdoor workouts, it also supports safety features like fall detection and SOS emergency calls. Then inside the app ecosystem, you get smart AI coach for personalized training plans, comprehensive health insights, Strava compatibility, and local Huawei exclusives like Gcash, WatchPay, and Angkas. Dito pumapasok yung AI-powered angle. Hindi lang siya nagre-report ng stats, it analyzes your data and can give suggestions like training guidance for running or tips to improve health overall. Compared sa Apple Watch Ultra 3 na medyo brief lang yung kanyang AI features, guys, ito comprehensive siya, built-in na po sa Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro na para bang meron kang AI coach sa inyong wrist. For smart life features, you also get UV detection, real versus feels like temperature tracking, NFC access card support, and 64GB storage. Uy. That storage can help support offline music, color map downloads, video watch faces, and smoother system interaction. Compatibility is also practical. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 series works with both Android and iOS. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is mainly iOS lang. So Huawei feels more flexible if you're not fully inside the Apple ecosystem. O ano? Gusto mo ba ng Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro? Kapag binili mo to, meron siya mga freebies. Tulad ng 1,000 peso discount, 1 FreeBuds SE2 worth 1,999 pesos, a free 3-month Huawei Health Plus membership worth 387 pesos, meron pa siyang free 1-month Huawei Watch Face VIP worth 289 pesos and a 2-year warranty. For the Huawei Watch Fit 5 base version, you get a 1,000 peso discount, coffee cup worth 1,499 pesos, a free 3-month Huawei Health Plus membership worth 387 pesos, free 1-month Huawei Watch Face VIP worth 289 pesos, and a 2 years warranty. Guys, okay naman to. Kung bibigyan ako ng ganito, alam mo gagawin ko? Kunin ko pa rin. Pero, rugged siya na smartwatch. At 72 hours lang ang battery life. Okay pa rin siya. Especially if meron kang iPhone. Pero if you want something na mas magaan, mas stylish, mas health-ready, mas sports-ready, at mas accurate and comprehensive, mas malupit pa yung AI. Na kung hindi ito yung hanap mo, ang hanap mo Rolex, marami ako niyan. Kung gusto mo makita yun, mag-subscribe ka lang. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my Rolex. I'm Vince for watching and Bas Diaries. Woohoo!